Hey everyone, it's JP and I am back with a super quick tutorial for you. So I hope you're doing well today. Excuse me. I hope you're doing well today, and here is what we're making. These are super cute, adorable little earrings. These in length are only just slightly over an inch long and about a little over a half an inch wide. Super cute, super dainty earrings. And you only need a little bit of material. So you're going to need some superduos, and these are white luster. You'll need some 11s, and these are Miyuki Galvanized Yellow Gold. You're going to need some diamond duos, or gem duos can suffice too, so either one, and this color is Jet AB. And of course, you'll need some drops, and these are 6x9, they're white, and they're from Potomac Beads, so in case someone is wondering where they can get them, that's where I got those, Potomac Beads, check drops. And of course you'll need some beading thread. So I'm using my fireline, 6 pounds. Crystal is the color that I'm using. A couple of ear wires too would be great. Since I know it's only September, but pretty soon you'll be thinking about holiday gift ideas. So I think these would make super cute gifts. Of course you can make them for yourself, and think about all the different color combinations you can do. Also, if you don't have a drop bead, you can just put an 11-0 in its place and it'll still look cute. So you don't necessarily need to have a drop bead. You can do them without the drop, and I think they're still really adorable earrings. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so to start our piece, what you're going to do is pick up a superduo, a second superduo, and then our diamond duo, and then another superduo, and then 2 superduos basically. So bring those down to the bottom of the thread, and on my thread I have a stop bead. So we just need that in order to hold the beads in place until we tie off the thread. So this is what it should look like. And then pick up an 11, pick up your drop, and pick up an 11. So 3 beads, that's what you need. And I'm just going to turn this over for a second. You want to go into the other hole of the superduo where the thread's exiting. Just like this. And give everything a nice good tug, no slack in the thread. And then you want to pick up another superduo and go through the diamond duo here. And once again, another superduo, and we're going to go through the superduo here where we started at the top. So this is what it should look like. And then I'm just going to loosen this up a little bit. I'm going to pick up 3 11s and bring them down to the bottom of my thread there, and undo. You just want to take this off. Take off the stop bead. Okay, so, oops. I want to make sure everything is sitting the way it's supposed to. So we're going to tie a knot now. So you want to tie a knot between our 2 threads here. And basically the knot should be between the superduo and the 11s, just like that. And I'm just going to finish my knot here. It's a square knot. My fingers are clumsy trying to do this on camera. I do. This always happens to me when I'm trying to tape. There we go. Okay, so now before we continue, I'm going to pick up 3 11s. And I'm going to go into my superduo here that is popping out. Just like that. Then it's 2 11s and into the superduo here. Then again 3 11s. Into the 11 and into the drop bead here. So here's what you have so far. Then through this other 11 here, it's on the other side of the drop. And again, we're going to do 3 11s. Two 11s. And again 3 11s. So you're going to continue the first 2 beads just like so, and I'm going to now make the loop for the ear wire. So you're going to pick up 4 11s, go through the bead in the middle here, the same bead where the thread is exiting. And I'm just going to flip it so I can work this way, and then go through the first 11. And now we're going to add. So pick up an 11, go into the next 11, pick up an 11, go into the next 11, get it popped into place, and one more time. Pick up an 11, go into the next 2 11s there. And there it is, our ear wire loop is popped into place. Now what I'm going to do is just reinforce, so I am going to go back through all of those beads one more time. So 2 beads at a time. And again, 2 more beads. And I should be back pretty much to where I started. And then I'm just going to continue straight down. So and we are done, so I'm going to tie off. So I will go ahead and tie a 1/2 inch knot here between the 11 and the superduo. Go through the superduo and the next 2 11s. And I actually did not want to go through that superduo, so I'm going to back up because I want to put a knot there first before I do. So we are going to tie another 1/2 inch knot there between those 11s and that superduo. And then pop through. And then just, I'm going to do one more. So, but I'm going to make my way back up towards the superduos. Alright, my third knot is just going to go here between this set of 11, or that 11 and superduo basically. And let's weave the thread a little bit further. Okay, there we go. Couldn't get it through the diamond duo there for a second. All right, and it is now done. So let's go ahead and trim. Okay, there's our quick earrings. Well, I hope you liked this tutorial, and I shall see you in the next one. If you did like it, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.